Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, February 9th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, high of 67, low of 54, rain and rainy, 90% chance of rain. Today's breakfast pizza, juice and fruit. Lunch, breaded chicken patty, fries, lettuce, tomato, fruit and juice. Today's birthday is Gabrielle Spillers. Announcements. Tutoring continues today. Please do not release students to their tutoring teacher until they are done with dismissal. Dr. Seuss. We will be celebrating Dr. Seuss the week of February 27th through March 3rd. A flyer will be sent home with details about the themed days. On March 2nd, we will have guest readers coming to read to our students. Snack money. Please make sure that snack bags and money are sent up by 9:30 each morning. If students are late, they are not allowed to purchase snacks. Uniforms. Many of our students are wearing non-uniform outerwear each day. Please make sure that they take off outerwear that is not in compliance with our uniform policy. If you need additional uniform policies to highlight and send home with your students, they are in the front office tray near Ms. Paz's area. Gum. We have seen an increased number of students chewing gum lately. Please do not allow students to chew gum in the building. Classroom school environment. Take a look around your room space. If it looks unorganized, unclean, or cluttered, let's work to get that corrected. If assistance is needed from our custodial staff, please let them know your specific needs. Important dates. February 10th, PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 13th, faculty meeting. February 16th, Michael Green science machine presentations. February 17th, 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, spring pictures. Question of the day. Send us your questions. If you have a question you would like submitted, please put it in the question box in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Shepherd Scholars.